We are digging deeper tonight into new federal charges against Newport-News mom Deja Taylor. Taylor's 6-year-old son is accused of bringing that gun to Rich Neck Elementary School and shooting his teacher Abby Werner back on January 6.
Yeah, now federal investigators are getting involved, and Nancy Baracco joins us in the studio with the very latest on this. Man.
Yeah, Janet, Deja Taylor is accused of lying on her gun permit record. Federal prosecutors say she claimed she did not use marijuana at the time she bought her gun. These federal charges are now on top of charges Taylor faces on the state level. Legal analyst Ed Booth helps us break down how the federal charges could actually impact her case.
It's another layer to the already complex investigation into the mother of the 6-year-old Rich Neck Elementary student who police say shot his first-grade teacher. Federal attorneys have joined the case after charging 25-year-old Deja Taylor for lying on her gun permit records in July 2022. Police say her son used that same 9mm handgun to shoot his teacher Abby Werner this past January.
You know, these are all facts that the prosecution can use to put together their case.
In the latest court documents, prosecutors say Taylor checked no on the box asking if she used marijuana, knowing she did at the time. Legal analyst Ed Booth says while marijuana is legal in Virginia with limitations, it still does not apply to federal law. Taylor's attorney, James Ellenson, says his client will plead guilty to the federal charges, which Booth says may help her case.
And that really governs what someone might receive in terms of punishment in federal court. The guidelines kind of cover everything, and they take into account whether you accepted or didn't accept responsibility. So it certainly would help her if she were to be convicted.
Taylor faces felony child neglect and reckless endangerment charges after police say her son somehow got a hold of her gun inside her home. Booth says Taylor's federal charges may not really impact her upcoming trial in Newport-News.
I mean, in a sense, it's apples and oranges. I mean, they do, overlap in terms of the basic facts. You know, it has to do with the same firearm. Can be prosecuted for certain things in federal court and different things in state court.
And right now, Deja Taylor is the only person in the Rich Neck Elementary shooting investigation facing charges right now. Newport News Commonwealth's attorney Howard Gwynn says more people could face charges if the special grand jury finds enough evidence. We reached out regarding the special grand jury's investigation latest, but we have not heard back. I'm Nancy Baracco for 13 News Now.
All right, Ann, thank you. And Taylor says she told investigators she had the gun secured the day of the shooting. Her bench trial is scheduled for this August 15th in Newport News.